Hey, what's going on? It's Low for Low Nose, and this is the place where we help content creators just like you step up their game when it comes to audio, video, and tech. So make sure you hit that subscribe and bell button so you don't miss out on any of their future videos. All right, so as content creators, we always find ourselves in a position where we're trying to get the next thing to help us step up our game, like maybe video equipment or audio equipment or even lighting equipment. We're always trying to find that next thing to help us out. Well, with every little thing that we find, it always brings its own little suite of accessories. Hit that like button if you know what I'm talking about. Where we just kind of put all these extra accessories inside of a bag or inside of a bin, and it becomes like this hoarding complex. You feel me? Well, let me share my experience with you. I just found the best bag I never knew I needed. It's the ATailorBird Electronic Organizer Travel Gadget Organizer. So I've been using this bag for about 2 weeks now, and it has greatly improved the way I organize all of my stuff for my content creation and probably my everyday stuff as well. But before we get into the bag, let's look at the outside of the bag. First of all, this is a medium-sized bag. It does come in a smaller size and a larger size. I'll leave a link down below so you can check those out. But I just love the look of the bag. The fabric has kind of like this brush metal finish, and also the logo as well. The BUBM, the Be Unique, Be Myself. I love the look of this logo. It has a very kind of like supreme feel to me. I would love to kind of sport this bag and maybe any other bigger bags or smaller bags that they may have to kind of like rock them together in a group. But I love the look of the bag. It's got the accents right here with the BUBM. Great looking bag. Feels nice, feels soft. What do you say we get into the bag? So the bag's got multiple layers. On the top layer, I've got some USB cables, some regular accessories, headphones, and a USB cord. More USB cords. I've got some SSD drives in there. And then in the second layer, when you open it up, I've got my tablet right here, and I've got some other accessories, keyboards, webcam, recorders, memory cards, battery packs, and other things as well. And what's really cool about this is that you don't have to keep this. You can actually move these. These are removable. And you can shift things around and kind of set up to whatever you are trying to put inside of here. So the bag has got really great versatility as far as what you want to do and kind of like change things around to whatever needs you may want or have. So check this out. The bag is small and compact enough that I can put it inside my camera bag. Off we go. Now for the service of you, I go ahead and put things inside this bag that you probably normally wouldn't put inside of this bag. Number one, a drone. Yeah, not really big enough, and probably all the accessories that you've got to stuff inside there, it's not gonna work. On top of that, the bag's not soft or secure, not enough cushion for the drones. But if that thing would ever to drop, you'd be SOL. Number two, your camera and your audio equipment. Well, your major audio equipment. Once again, it probably would not fit in there if you got the medium or the small size bag. But secondly, the bag's not cushy enough to protect your camera or your audio equipment if it were to fall. So keep that in mind. So with those unrealistic things out of the way, what do you think about the bag? So what are my final thoughts when it comes to this bag? Can I be unique? Can I be myself when it comes to flaunting this bag? An absolute resounding yes. I love the idea of this bag. I love the look of this bag. I love the feel of the bag. I wish I did get the bigger size of this, but that is always an option for a later time. My only gripe about this bag is that it is only a handle bag. I wish it had some kind of shoulder strap, but I guess that would defeat the purpose of a handheld carry-on portable put this anywhere kind of bag. Yeah, you know, I get it. I guess that's why women's makeup bags, I guess that's why they don't have shoulder straps, so they can just drop it inside of their purse or whatever bag that they have. Huh, I just learned something there. Alright guys, that is it. If you are interested in this bag, as always, I have links in the description down below. But if you are driving yourself mad trying to put all of your accessories that are just kind of everywhere in the house and you're trying to put it all in one place, I highly suggest getting this bag. Everything is inside here right now. I have it right next to my desk. There's no longer a situation where I'm driving myself bananas trying to find a certain cable or cord or battery charger or something. It is all located in this one place, and everything is neat in the world once again. Alright guys, if you liked the video, go ahead and leave a like. If you loved it, feel free to subscribe. Any questions, comments, or concerns, leave it down below. And as always, hit me up on my social medias, Low Nose Sort of. And also guys, if you want to help improve your content creation game, join the Low Nose community on Discord, Low Nose. Until next time guys, I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.